You are stronger than you realize, stronger than the moments that tried to silence you, stronger than the fears that tried to hold you back, stronger than the pain you carried quietly while still showing up for everyone else. Your strength is not loud, your strength is not always visible, but it is real, it is powerful, and it has carried you through every chapter of your life. You have walked through storms that would have broken others. You have faced nights that felt endless. You have held yourself together when your world felt like it was falling apart. And even when you doubted yourself, even when you questioned your worth, even when you felt alone, you kept going, you kept fighting, you kept rising. You are not here to be small. You are not here to shrink so others feel comfortable. You are not here to apologize for your ambition, your voice, or your dreams. You are here to grow. You are here to evolve. You are here to become the woman you were always meant to be. There is a fire inside you that refuses to go out. A fire that has survived disappointment, heartbreak, rejection, and fear. A fire that has burned quietly through every setback, every challenge, every moment of doubt. That fire is your power. That fire is your truth. That fire is your reminder that you are not done yet. You deserve peace. You deserve love. You deserve joy, not because you earned it, not because you proved anything, but because you exist, because your heart is worthy, because your soul is enough, because you matter. You are allowed to rest without guilt. You are allowed to heal without rushing. You are allowed to choose yourself without apology. Choosing yourself is not selfish. It is strength. It is clarity. It is the beginning of your transformation. You are a woman with a voice that carries truth. A woman with a heart that refuses to give up. A woman with a mind capable of building a future far greater than her past. And when you finally decide to rise for yourself, when you finally decide to stop shrinking, when you finally decide to step into your power, nothing on this earth can stop you. You have survived too much to doubt your strength now. You have grown too much to question your worth now. You have come too far to stay small now. This is your moment. This is your shift. This is your rise. You are powerful. You are capable. You are worthy, and you are just getting started. Your story is not over. Your potential is not finished. Your future is not limited. Every day you wake up is another chance to rewrite your life. Another chance to choose courage. Another chance to choose growth. Another chance to choose yourself. So keep going. Keep rising. Keep believing in the woman you are becoming, because she is strong. She is wise. She is unstoppable. And she is you.